Hey Nancy, Tim, and Bobby. Just wanted to give you a little tour of your chickens on how they're doing. Everybody's been working hard at helping out. Nice and peaceful. Yeah, yeah, say hi to Bobby. And that little, we call her Gigi, she lays a couple of eggs a night. She lives underneath the nest underneath the wood pile. She was over there on your side and came over here. We got these little guys. They're happy little munchkins. Angie and Courtney raised those from little munchkins. And then you got your other ones over here, this place, at the Hyatt. They're kicking it at the Hyatt. Tim and Nancy's. How you guys doing, huh? How ladies? Nice and peaceful. I think on this coop we probably could use a couple more hens over here. That'd be cool. Let's see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think you could probably do maybe 4 more, maybe. I don't know, whatever you guys think. But the upper rooms are never anybody up there. They like it down the bottom.